Hello, good morning. Once again, I am Bharat Dubey, high school teacher, subject English, Government CM Rise School, Patera. Today, again, I am going to talk to one of my students, and he will tell you about himself.
I am Sumit Visain. I read in class 9th in Government Model School, Patera.
So, Sumit, tell us something about your family. What is your father?
My father name is Jitendra Dubey. He is a teacher and my mother is a homemaker.
And do you have any brother or sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
Sumit, tell me, do you play any game in your school?
Yes, sir.
Which game?
I play hide and seek
And
it.
so, are there separate classes for girls and boys in your school?
Yes, sir.
And how many boys are there in your class?
Around 30.
Around 30. Do you enjoy reading in CM Rai School, Patera?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Especially in which period?
Sir, here.
In my period?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you enjoying the bridge course?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you read some new words?
Yes, sir. I
Yesterday.
read some new words.
Sumit, tell me, when did you come Patera?
2013.
In 2013. Basically, where are you from?
Left in Sydney.
Basically, you are from Sydney.
Yes, sir.
And you are here because of your father's posting.
Yes, sir.
So your father is a government teacher.
Yes, sir.
Where is he posted?
He posted in Bhoda Belkhedi.
Bhoda Belkheri
Yes.
in Patera block.
Yes.
Okay. Does your father teach you at home
No, sir.
and mother?
No.
Does your sister help you in your study,
Yes, sir.
especially in which subject?
Math.
Mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you fight with your sister?
Yes, sir.
Very much or sometimes?
Sometimes and very much.
Both.
Yes, sir.
Which is correct? Sometimes or very much? Always.
Always.
You fight with your sister always. Okay. So what is the matter of your fight?
So many things. Yes, like mobile.
Do you also fight with your classmates?
No, sir. But sometimes controversy.
Sometimes there are quarrels.
Well,
Okay. What is your goal?
my goal is I want to become a software engineer.
You want to become a software engineer. Okay. So definitely you will choose mathematics in 11th class.
Yes,
Okay. So Sumit, it was really very nice to talk to you, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you very much.
Sir.